Assalamualaikum everybody, my name is Eden. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, look at the table. It's decorated beautifully. Whoa. So guys, there's toys and we can play with them at home. And I'm really excited to get all of these toys to my home. And there's food that we can eat started. And look, there's a flag. It's a Palestine flag. Today's dinner in support of Palestine. So they put some toys in the table and some flags in every table. People gonna sit here and do iftar because it's so important. Look, there's a Ramadan. Look, I'm playing with the Rubik's Cube. And I really know how. Look how much toys I got. This is brilliant. I like it. I like this Rubik's Cube and I like my other toys too. These are some dinosaurs and little frogs that they hop, some spiders, some statues, and a ball thrower and a Rubik's Cube. Look at that. They are hopping. There's so much of here. I like these toys. These are cool. I'm having fun. I want to stay here. Look, it's almost eating time. We have some rice, chicken, and kebab, and I'm eating them because they're yummy. I hope you enjoy my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and enjoy. Bye bye.